it's 30. Yeah, ask me what it feel like, staring at the sky, so another time they hurt, but so homie, this ain't real life. I'll be making good on my promises, honesty is confidence, a lot of it is missing, but I realize I could be better than I was, lighter on my feet, cooking up the soul when we fire up the beat, let the fire underneath me, higher when I speak, like I'm climbing up a steep tree, ooh, come and greet me, after the show, after the lights, after the shine, after the hoes, half of them yours, half of them mine, happen to find they grill me, but I'm the chef you want. Once you get a little taste, I'ma buy the restaurant, sitting at the top, sitting numb, upper echelon, busy watching my life stop, I can get you one, haters are always hanging around like a crucifix, but I've been on the chase, homie, I'm a fugitive. Nowadays got it all figured out, I don't really gotta take so long, Missing all the times in the past when I couldn't see your face at all, that's why the chase is on, chase is on, chase is on, that's why the chase is on, chase is on, chase is on. Yeah, I said I could love a mystery more than any misdemeanor. I ain't into mystery, but all I see is these Sabrina teenage witches, lick the visas, Mastercards, and Listerine. Got me so stressed, one day I will look like Mr. Clean. G's not a bald man, who he needs a hall pass. I would rather kick it and do nothing like a mall rat. Never Kel Mitchell, but maybe I swear I'm all that. Cause I leave years every time you fall back to where you came from. Now where the hate go? Oh, you from Wu-Tang? Then watch your face go. Spot on my confidence and sell it by the caseload. Take a bunch of optimists and drop them in the same boat. Ask them if their shit's half full, half empty. Too big for my own good, D can be. Matumbo, you dumbos just envy. Name a bunch of rappers and pretend that you forget me, but nowadays got it all figured out. I don't really gotta take so long, But I'm missing all the times in the past when I couldn't see your face at all. That's why the chase is on, chase is on, chase is on. That's why the chase is on, chase is on, chase is on. So we stay chasing on, getting paid, break your heart every day. But if you want, I'ma take it all back. If you want, I'ma take it all back. So we stay chasing on, getting paid, break your heart every day. But if you want, I'ma take it all back. If you want, I'ma take it all back. Nowadays got it all figured out, I don't really gotta take so long, But I'm missing all the times in the past when I couldn't see your face at all. That's why the chase is on, chase is on, chase is on. That's why the chase is on, chase is on, chase is on. Look up, live free, dream big, and see the world is yours, the world is yours. Give all you have to give. The world is yours, the world is yours. I tried to break free, you tried to keep me bound. I tried to live right, you tried to keep me down. But now I'm going up, I'm moving high then. Anywhere that I've been before, I'm flying, man. It's kinda crazy, like my feet are lifting off the ground. I'm touching heaven with my hands now to get the sound. But though I'm flying, my head is still level, and I won't be bound down to hear the whispers of the devil. Now the future is here, and it looks real bright, and it can be yours too if you set your path right. I know life can be hard, but you were put here to win. Just refuse to quit when you're down and get back up again. Man, I used to write my music from my tiny bedroom, and though I dreamt of being free, I felt trapped like in a tomb. And even though the times are dark and I could barely even see through all the tears, I sit and pen, weave out my destiny. But now the days are gone where I would listen to the critics who counted me out before they ran the proper analytics. I'm here to stay, just like a necklace waiting to be pearled, and I'm throwing up the chorus as I'm singing with the world. Live free, dream big, and see that the world is yours, the world is yours. All you have to give, 'cause the world is yours, the world is yours. You should be careful who you listen to, who watch all of the things you do. I hate to break it to you, not everyone wants the best for you. Who try to take the dream inside you, they see they're flat out jealous and envy all the things you will be. Yeah, just hold your head up, man, and keep on moving on. If I would've never struggled, then I wouldn't have this on. But don't get me wrong, no need to stack up your strife. You gotta watch the ones who you let speak straight into your life. Cause the artists, they will sing you all their fancy little songs with the funny little beats and all the catchy sing-alongs. But the messages they give are not the kind you should be fed. It's a recipe of lies and try to get stuck in your head. Man, I see some rappers sold the souls, I won't be selling mine. No need to find a source when you're eating from the vine. You thought that I was done, but now I'm leaving you behind. Wouldn't say I deserve it, but I'm here to get what's mine. Live free, dream big, and see that the world is yours. The world is yours. Live all you have to give. Cause the world is yours. The world is yours. Live good, live right, no fear tonight. The world is yours. The world is yours. And just stay true, fight on, stay you. The world is yours. The world is yours. Look up, live free, dream big, and see that the world is yours. The world is yours. Give all you have to give. Cause the world is yours. The world is yours.
You hit me up on the line, hang me out to dry, and you got
like I changed or some shit. Still innocent, never changed it.
You hit me up on the line, hang me out to dry, and you got
I told the sky shit.
Dreaming big, town is small, and it's going down. All I need is a microphone, I'm headed for the crown, y'all. Call me whack, call me weak, they'll never blow. Memphis bleak, they know like the radio that Henderson was meant to speak. I'm on these tracks, just like Thomas, I'm the truth, just being honest. Y'all a bunch of Martin and Anthony's, yeah, that's prima donnas. Wayne Brady, they know the deal. Henderson just showing skill, way that I just go at will. You can call me Uncle Phil. You working, but I work harder to the day I'm Mr. Carter. My girl is a mix between Mrs. Lauder and Mrs. Carter, and I'll never dumb it down. I guess what I just spit is smarter. I'm a master of my trade. No, I won't forget the barter. You know I won't forget it. Hey, when it comes to life, you know I won't regret it. Yeah, I'll say that shit simple and plain. If you thinking I'ma change, well, you must be insane, motherfucker.
You rock me out of it and use the words instead. You hold me just out of reach, keep me pounding the beat, take all the
I'm still me, I'm still Henny. I've been feeling like the one and you just one of many, I'm still me, I'm still Henny. And I'm feeling like the one and you just one of many. Jigga had that hard knock life, 50 getting rich or die. Headed to that B-side records looking for some shit to buy. Had that Eminem when Nelly spoke that country grammar. Drake Chronic 2001, well that shit hit like a hammer. Had that Kanye West right around when he dropped out. First fabulous stats when Luda popped out. Southern hospitality, that shit shaped my reality. Killing it with Styles P, that shit was like a casualty. Yeah, listening to Pete Rock, Nas, it ain't hard to tell. Pump me up like some Reeboks. Yeah, and catch me driving in the car, listening to Black Star shit. Had me trying to beatbox, bumping that Notorious while I'm feeling glorious. Diddy in the video singing we victorious. Yeah, made me what I am today. If you thinking I'ma change, I suggest you walk away, motherfucker.
You rock me out of it and use the words instead. You hold me just out of reach, keep me pounding the beat, take all the
I'm still me, I'm still Henny. I've been feeling like the one and you just one of many, I'm still me, I'm still Henny. And I'm feeling like the one and you just one of many.
I'm trying to do this one day at a time. I put my whole life into these lines. Yeah, nothing can stop us now. You don't want a problem, pal. Yes, I came a long way since I was a problem child. Same guy I always been, trying to make my mama proud. Reaching for the stars, praying I won't ever touch the ground. I gotta do this now while the sun's still shining. No matter how you get it, gotta see the silver lining. Remember when we came up, everybody tried to clown us. Now the same people trying to say that they're the ones that found us. All the minutes, all the hours, all the tears we devoured. Now we up, feel the power, screaming out the world is ours. Close to my voice, looking at me through the glass. I don't gotta lie to you, I don't gotta wear a mask. I just gotta be me, stay true to my last dying day. I did everything I could to make it back. Told each other we could do anything that we want and nothing could stop us. I got the ball, not gonna drop it. No one can take this away from us, that's a promise. Can't let this moment slip away, can't have that on my conscience. I admit I lost my way, I was unfaithful, but it's a new day, and I'm so grateful. I still got a chance to show you that I'm worth it. Can't take back what I did, but you know that I'm not perfect. Hold my head up to the sky, through the clouds I'll survive. No regrets, I'm alive, no more tears, let's get high. Remember this moment for the rest of our lives. Just know that I love you and memories will never die. This is all I've ever known. The stage is my throne, this is where I belong. Don't ever feel alone, just remember this day and everything that I said. The sun will still shine long after I'm dead. Yeah.
This right here, this is honestly the jam. To make them all say, yo, it's honestly the man. On my Ferris Bueller shit, school was never in the plan. Cause what I got is special like a jewel is in the sand. They can move it, they can slam, rappers like to pretend. I always keep it real, that's why they like me to win. And whoever thought that my life would begin by inspiring the world through the strike of a pen. So I gotta thank the fam, cause they made me who I am. First they showed me how to fall, and they taught me how to stand. I just gotta be myself and they'll all understand. Like an Aloe Black song, I'm the man, I'm the man. I took a theory and I turned it into fact. He took a couple rock songs and turned them into rap. Y'all all liked it better cause I gave it what it lacked. Had some fun with it and then I gave it back. Cause this is for you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. You were there when no one was around. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. You were there when no one was around. And I don't have a corny name for my fan base, but they still love me cause I'm something that you can't hate. Plus I draw what these other dudes can't trace. Out of this world, you better off trying to scan space. A better nails, ain't no sleeping on a kid. I don't usually smoke, but now I'm cheaping on the clip. It's never easy to cope when the reason you exist is to carry the torch while niggas reaching for the shit. But I got it, no, I'm not a novice. I know I'm an artist, and also a product. And I got friends that look like Mike Brown, but I got some friends that live in white towns. So I try to find a way to stay cool, but somehow I always manage to break rules. And if I ever lied on a record, Lord, let me die today. And by the way, I do this for you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. When no one was around. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. You were there when no one was around. This for any being creative. I thank you for the things that you have created. Even if it seems that we ain't related, you're the reason I ever had dreams of being the greatest. I could rush to the finish, but shit is better patient. Feeling like I'm minutes from a celebration. Pour champagne glass, leaving demons in the past. One toast for success, another toast to make it last. This goes out to you. This goes out to you. This goes out to you.